Key replacement. What's it cost to replace a key in a key fob? What's it cost to replace this key fob right here?
Probably like 3.
Probably $300, okay? Most people don't know that, because you know what happens when most people lose a key? They take better care of their last key.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
That's what I've always done.
Yeah.
I've never paid for a key fob. Well, I take that back, I have now. However, when I was leasing my cars and I turned in cars with one key, I got dinged $400 each time. I just bought a new Honda Pilot in May. In June, I went off on a trip, parked my car at the airport. When I came back from the trip, my key had somehow disappeared. $55 Uber ride home to get the other key. $55 Uber ride back to the airport. There's $110. Went to the Honda store, paid $371 for the key fob. That's $481 because I lost my key fob. Most customers don't know this. They think they can go on Amazon or eBay and buy a key, or go to Home Depot and get a key cut. You have to explain to them that, look, no, it doesn't work that way. And by the way, when they trade in a car with one key, it's worth less than a car with 2 keys. Customers don't know this. You gotta help them out.